Hey savvy innovators! Today on Savvy Tricks, we will show you how to sharpen your dull knife easily at home. If you also sharpen your knife with a sanding stone this way, it is incorrect. Let's get started. First, secure the sanding stone in a bench vise. Then, use a scale to draw two diagonal lines on the top side of the sanding stone. This way, we will find its center. Drill a hole in the center of the sanding stone using a drill machine. Gather the material that comes out of the hole on a page and spread it out to dry. Now, take a thin metal rod. Insert it into the hole and also add the dried material. Take super glue and apply it around the rod. Apply the remaining material around the rod on all sides and then apply super glue again. Remove the sanding stone from the bench vise. Now, take a wooden block. Place a 90-degree metal piece on it and mark the position of the holes. Drill 2 holes into the wood using a drill machine. Place the metal piece again and screw it in place. Tighten the screws securely with a screwdriver so that the metal piece fits in place. Take a ruler and draw a line across the width of the wooden block, then place 2 marks on it. Drill holes on those marks using the drill machine. Take a zip tie and attach it along the line using super glue. Use scissors to cut off the excess part of the zip tie. Take 2 screws, each with 2 washers, 1 small and 1 large for each screw. Secure the screws into the holes in the wood. Now take your knife and firmly fit it under these screws. Take the sanding stone and insert its rod into the hole of metal piece. Place the sanding stone on the knife and check that the angle between the knife and the stone is 15 degrees. Bend the metal rod at a 90-degree angle from the other side using a plier. Insert it through the metal hole. Spray WD-40 on the knife and sanding stone. Rub the sanding stone on the knife. Cover every point of the knife. Remove the sanding stone. And fix the knife from the other side. Put sanding stone in again. Spray WD-40 on knife and stone. Sand this side of the knife in the same way as before. Remove the knife from the screws and inspect its blade. Now take a leather belt and strap both sides of the knife on it. Test the knife by cutting some tomatoes. See how thin the slices are. If you were to get your knife sharpened at a store, it could cost you between $75 to $100 annually. However, with this method, you can invest in a quality sharpening set for a one-time cost of around $26. Thanks for tuning into Savvy Tricks. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more practical DIY videos. Stay savvy and see you in our next video.